So we're here in the Rolling Big Power warehouse, working on this truck, getting it ready and finished. The last moments will be this, an exhaust tip. So maybe you want an exhaust tip for your build, but you don't have a, let's say a 4-inch hole like that. Rolling Big Power has come up with an adapter that not only looks great, but it works. Take a look at this. You got a cool truck, you need the exhaust tip. Even if you don't have a cool truck, an exhaust tip like this is gonna make your ride look really cool. And Rolling Big Power has done a lot to exhaust tips. You think exhaust tip, they're all pretty much the same. No, I can tell you why. True. Kelly Ash is not just the VP and the general manager of Rolling Big Power, but she's also a design engineer. And of course, a certified ASE master mechanic, so I kind of download all the information. There's a lot of design that goes into everything at Rolling Big Power, and this is no exception.
Absolutely.
You've got a really cool flange on the end of this exhaust tip. Give me the rundown about what makes this special.
Absolutely. So we call these our adapters.
Right.
And basically the whole point is to get to a smaller inlet to go up to a 4. Right. So then you can choose any outlet, if you up to 10 inches if you really feel like it.
If you have to. Yeah.
And you can basically put this on bolt-on, no welding.
Right.
So one of the details that we did was we actually just put this little bolt-on detail onto the top of the flange. And the best part about it is it literally fits right into the 4-inch exhaust tip, bolts on with our stainless steel hardware, so no rust, and it bolts on super snug, won't fall off with vibrations going off-road, whatever you want, and you don't have to weld, best part.
And no more hose clamps.
Yes, no more hose clamps.
Bunch of guys back there saying, yeah, I used to put that on with a hose clamp, and then you'd be back there trying to be cool, trying to put it on. No, that's a great idea. A little tweak, but it's really great with the fit, the finish, and the functionality of this exhaust tip has gone to the next level.
Exactly.
Now, tell me about this one.
Yep. So this is our polished stainless. So it starts with a 304 stainless base.
Right.
And then we polish it to a high shine, hand polish actually. And that includes a lifetime warranty. So no rust, and you don't have to worry about anything going wrong with the tip.
Here's what I think is really cool about both these. When you look at the side, the laser etching right there, it's actually 3D. When you get real close, you can see it actually goes in. There's little compartments they've made in here, all hand welded, that you could see. It's like 3D. That's patented, correct?
It is, absolutely. Yep.
Great idea. It looks as good as it works. And it's all one great package. If you have not checked it out, you can do so online right now at rollingbigpower.com. Now, while you're there, see if you qualify for one of the 2018 swag packs. This is what everybody's talking about too. You're in control of this. What's in the swag pack?
Love our swag packs. So basically we include a couple stainless steel badges for your truck or your toolbox, small accessories, lanyards, decals, all those fun things, RBP hat, and then also a Tervis tumbler or a Yeti tumbler. And then you can send in your registration form with the color and your apparel size, so we can send you a t-shirt or a hoodie.
Nice. That is the swag pack for 2018. See if you qualify right now. Go online to rollingbigpower.com and check out, get the exhaust tip to give your truck just a little extra coolness.